Welcome back to Recycled Saves. Probably hear the snow crunch under my feet because it's 5 below here today in Wisconsin. The only reason to take this bike apart is because of time of year here in Wisconsin. 70 hours, Rm250Z, excellent shape. Bike is absolutely stock, and everything about it is meticulous. Clearly over-maintained. Everything, the foot pegs are real good and tight. The Kickstarter's good and tight. It doesn't even seem like it's got 10 hours on it. Everything is just great on this bike. I regret having to part it if we do, but if it's out there, that means we are. If you need a really strong 250 motor or any parts for your bike, let us know. It's got some different kind of chain and alloy colored chain and sprocket. Just really cool bike. Let us know what you need. Check down below how to get a hold of us. Subscribe to see the other bikes we're going to take apart yet this winter, and buy from us on eBay. Thanks for watching.